guys and welcome back. Today it's day one of my Birmingham NEC caravan and motorhome show. So we're at home still. It's about 1:30 on the Friday, and we're now going to jump in the car and we're going to get on the M5 and going to drive to Tewkesbury for our first night. We're going to hold a live stream and have a bit of a chilled night, and then tomorrow, which will be day two, we're going to drive up to the NEC and look at some of the caravans, motorhomes, camper vans, accessories, etc. And the same on Sunday. So come along with us, and yeah, this is day one. So, we've arrived at the Premier Inn at Tewkesbury.
Hey!
It is 5:15. Yeah, M5 was a bit busy, wasn't it? But we had a little diversion around Gloucester and ran the back end of Tewkesbury. But you know what? We're here. So let's go and check in, find our room and settle down. See you in a minute.
See you later. Bye.
Bye. So, we're at the Premier Inn in Tewkesbury. Coffee's just been made, and yeah, so if we just turn the camera around, we've got Mummy enjoying the comfy king-sized bed. Comfy?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah?
Biscuits, coffee and a magazine. What more does a mummy want?
What rubbish have you got for me to read then? Oh God, this world.
Oh, enjoy.
Exciting.
Oh, I know. And then we got my bed down there. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, and some nice pictures too. My place where I'm going to do my live stream from. So yeah, we're all settled in. Got my editing suite there with the computer, phone charging and all that sort of stuff. Dad's there. Tea and coffee is being made. The smell of a cappuccino. Yum. Got the bathroom, which is the caravanner's best friend. A bath. Oh yes, a bath. A loo. Nice big mirror. And yeah, it's quite nice. We're on the bottom floor this time. We were on the top floor last time. And yeah. Right guys, it's now 10:10. Dinner has been had at the Brewers Fair next door. It was okay. It was food, you know what? So that's that. Anyway, thanks for watching day one of the NEC. It probably hasn't been that long, but just going to do a little taster of our sort of journey and arriving at the hotel. Anyway, see you in the morning. It's going to be an early start. It's going to be a 7 o'clock start like any other morning for us, really. And breakfast, and then on the road by around 20 to 8-ish. So, see you tomorrow morning. Bye.